Hello, so in this video, this is part 3 of our keyword research to set up a new campaign. And for this video, we're going to be looking at Google Search Console. So if you don't already have access, check earlier in the document where we lay out how to get access to this Google Search Console profile. So assuming you have access, let's get started. So for the sake of the example, we're going to stick with Destiny Marketing Solutions. So let's see here. Let's go here. Okay. And then we're interested in performance. Okay. So leave these set by default. What we were really looking for are phrases where the website is getting impressions, but probably isn't doing great as far as clicks or position. So we have impressions. Let's go ahead and sort this from highest to lowest. Okay, so we actually have a ton here. So what I would do, why don't we first make sure that we're seeing as many as we can. Okay. And then average position. Okay, so we can see we're not doing very well for a lot of these. And then for the position, I know in the other videos we're only interested in those that are page 2 or better. For the case of this, why don't we just take a look at those that are page 5 or better? So that would be 50 or higher. Uh-oh. There's something weird there. Let's see. So anything greater than 51. So that pretty much would be page 5 or better. Looks like I might have done something weird here. Huh. Oh, I see what happened. So let's get that out of there. So page 50 or higher. So let's try this again. Position. So interested greater than and the reason why we're using 51, as you can see, there are a ton of queries here that we could use. I just wanted to filter this down to make sure that we're targeting something that we're already somewhere on the radar for Google. And I'm not sure if that worked because I don't. What's going on here? Okay, we want position. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Oh, I see. So we actually need to do less than 51. That's what's going on. So smaller than 51. That should work. Okay. And so once we've done that, then let's sort by impressions from highest to lowest. So again, pay-per-click advertising seems to be a big one. So let's go ahead and add that. Houston SEO company. For the sake of this, I'll just add the top 5. Expert pay per click. And then let's skip what is PPC, because that could be an query where someone's just looking for information. Let's go with Houston SEO consultant. Okay, and let's just stop it there. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So to summarize, going to go to Google Search Console, find the website in the drop down here, and then you're going to go to the performance tab, and then from there you're going to enable to see the average position, and then from there you're going to set up a filter where you're only looking at queries where the website is on average ranking number 50 or better. And then the last step, you're going to sort by impressions from most to least, and then you're going to add those to your keyword list. So thanks, and let reach out if you have any questions.